Alexis is proud of her hair, but that wasn't always the case.
I've been losing my hair since the time I was 15, and I'm an alopecia person, actually. So I've had a full range of struggle with it, from losing, my hair to my eyebrows and eyelashes, down to my body hair. But the most impact that for most people that you see is, of course, my hair. So that began the process of, oh my goodness, what do I do next? And where do I go? And how do I fix this? And how can you help me? And of course, you go to the doctors and they can only do so much. And, your body takes its natural course. And then the rest is, okay, now what do you do?
After a lifetime of struggling with hair loss, Alexis decided to make a change and found the solution that works for her.
I walked through those doors and they were the most welcoming family that I've ever met. And, thankfully I've been with them for all of these years. And, all of the people that I have met through this organization have been fantastic. And no matter where you are in, the States, you always know that you have a door that's willing to help you and walk into. And it's just a matter of taking those first steps and going through those doors. Because once you go through those doors, you're in complete and utter, perfect hands. And all of those stresses and worries that you have, they go wayside. And you just get to go back to being you. I did wigs, and I've done scarves and headbands, and of course, the sprays and everything too. And I'm an amazing scarf tire and hat collector of all things too. So I've done a range of things, but this, of course, is the best and really the only option, I feel.
For more information, call Invisions at 800-842-4247 or visit us online at envisionshair.com.